Hey guys, welcome to the React Native Mastery course. In this course, we are going to build an e-commerce app which you can see on your screen. Okay, so let's see a quickly of this app. So you can see that on the top we have an header component, and after that we have a header text matcher style, and we have a search input along with the search icon, and we can type anything. Okay, and we can close it. Now after that we have a scrollable category item which you can scroll and click on that. When you click on that any category, it will get highlighted. So we are also going to build this up. After that, if we scroll down, we can see a list of products item along with the product image, product title, and the product price. And there is one icon which is like icon, and if we click on that like icon, it will get liked and it's become filled hard. Okay, after that, if we can see that we have how it's great looking UI. It's looking too good, right? Now if let's suppose I want to see the product about this, so we have to just click on this product. It will open a product details page, and we can see that we are using a reusable header component which we have created already. Okay, now you can see that we have a product image and product title and the product price. We can select the size, whatever size we want. Let's suppose I want the size will be large, and the color which I want, that is blue. And whenever we click on any color, it will create another border out of the color. We also gonna build this up, and if we click on add to cart, you can see that that item is added inside our cart. And you can see that on the bottom tab the cart count get increased with the 1. Okay, and you can see that we have a my cart header, and we are going to build only one header, and we're gonna reuse that header component, so you don't have to write header component and then again and again. After that, you can see the price, and the total price is 39. And if we click on this back icon, it will went to the home screen again. And let's add this denim jacket. Okay, and the size which I want, that will XL, and the color which I want, that will be gray. And add to, when I click on add to cart, the item is added to the cart, and the cart count get increased with +1, and it become 2. And you can see that now the total price will get changed with the 109, and we are doing all the sum operation, right? Now let's add one more item quickly. So I'm going to use this uh, windbreaker. Okay, the price is $59, and let's select the color as a black, and the size will which I want is a small. And you can see that whenever we are selecting a size, the color of that size get changed with black to red. And let's click on add to cart. Now the cart count get increased with 3. Okay, now we have a 3 items inside our cart, and we can see that the total price. Awesome. The total price, if you see that it's at 169, we are doing the calculation as well. And let's suppose if I want to remove this denim jacket, so we have to just click on delete icon. It will get removed from the cart, and the cart count get decrease. Okay, and we are able to, so the total sum is also updated with the new value. So we are going to build this whole e-commerce app uh, from the scratch. Okay, this is the project is beginner friendly, so you guys can build it up with me. Okay, so we are going to build reusable header component. We are going to build this home screen. After that, we gonna build this product details screen, and we gonna have a also called my cart screen. I have also provided you guys the Figma. So there's a Figma which you can see, and you can reference of the course completion and can build it on by yourself. Okay, and I will provide this Figma link in the description, you can check it out. And after that, in this course what we are going to learn basically, so if you're talking about the libraries and technology, we are going to use React Native. We are going to learn how to build bottom tab navigation. Okay, and we are also going to use like how to build this gradient, linear gradient background using the React Native linear gradient background. We are also going to use React Native vectors icons to use this to show the icons. Okay, And we are also gonna use context API to global state management. Basically, when how does we can access the data from any component. Okay, so we are going to learn about the use context hooks also, and we are also going to use the async storage. So we store the item. If we reload our app, still the data gets persist due to the async storage. So we will also learn how to do CRUD operation using the async storage. And this is the beginning friendly. You don't have to have a lot of knowledge. You guys can have learned uh, by following this course. Okay, so this is the Figma which you guys can reference in the after that. I will also provide this my WhatsApp group. Here we can discuss if you guys have any facing any issue, any error regarding this course and following up my course. So you can just ping me on the group. Anyone can help you out, and I will also help you out. Okay. So this is the introduction video. In the next video, we are going to do the project setup, and after that we're gonna build this up. So yeah, that's all in this video. Thank you guys. Keep supporting, keep loving, and yeah, keep building something new. Thank you. Bye.